This is a Craftsman chipper shredder with a 9 horsepower internal combustion engine, and here you've got the blades. Now it's got 2 hoppers on it. That one goes on this side, and this thing here goes on that side, and it's got blades on either side of the flywheel. For this side here is for small brush and leaves and stuff, and this thing that goes on that side is for larger sticks, like 1 to 2 inch thick sticks. And I took it apart so I could sharpen the blades. Took them to this grinder here, and it's got two blades, like a chisel type blade. That goes on the front side for the larger stuff. They kind of go on there like a planer type blade, and it chips the larger sticks and stuff. And then you've got this blade, which goes on this side of the machine, and I've already sharpened it too, and you can see it's like kind of like a mini lawnmower blade. It's about 8.5 inches long, and it goes on here like this, just like that, and it chops up the smaller brush and stuff. And it's got these 4 veins, I guess you'd call them, with these metal flails on it, and you can see that those aren't sharp. They're just flat pieces of metal, and they swing freely as the rotor turns, and they just force all the stuff out through the chute. I don't know, somewhere over here is a grate. Here it is. This is a grate to protect your fingers and stuff, but it also forces, you can see it, forces the stuff right through there, just like that. And it shreds it into smaller pieces. So a clever trick for sharpening your lawnmower blades is you measure it, find the center point of your blade, put a little mark on it somewhere on there, and then when you sharpen the blades, after you sharpen it, you put a hacksaw blade in a vise like this, and then you find that center point and you balance the blade on the hacksaw blade to make sure it's balanced, and that way your lawnmower won't vibrate as much. But it's less important on this device because it's a very small blade, and any imbalance in this blade is going to be absorbed by that massive flywheel. It's a 9 horsepower engine with a huge flywheel and this great big blade, so it's a real bitch to start. I think it should have an electric starter, but that's just me. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this thing back together.